Hi crocheters, and welcome back to my channel. Glad to share a new pattern with you that I love, and I'm sure you will too. I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of creating a table runner for your home. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Step 1. Materials needed. 1. Yarn string. For this pattern, a light blue colored yarn was used with a thickness of string number 4. 2. Crochet hook. A 3.6mm sized hook is recommended. 3. Scissors for cutting and finishing. 4. Optional. Scrap yarn of the same color for trial or pilot motifs. Step 2. Starting the base chain. 1. Begin by making a base chain. Each motif requires 19 chains. 2. Add extra chains as a safety buffer, e.g. 60 chains if working with 3 motifs requiring 57 chains. Excess chains can be unraveled later. Step 3. Creating the first motif. 1. Foundation fan. Begin with 3 chains. In the 4th chain, work a double crochet, followed by 2 chains and another double crochet in the same stitch. This forms a fan. 2. Spacing chains. Make 5 chains to create spacing. Skip 8 chains, and in the 9th chain, work another fan motif that consists of a double crochet, 3 chains, and another double crochet inside. Repeat these 5 spacing chains to create the desired number of motifs, e.g. 3 motifs. Step 4. Building the motifs. 1. After setting up the foundation motifs, turn the work to start the next row. 2. Work fans and chain repetitions in a systematic way, adding 8 double crochets into specified spaces within each fan from the previous row. Frame by 4 separation chains on each side. 3. Repeat this process across all motifs, gradually decreasing the number of chains in subsequent rows. For example, reduce 5 to 4, then to 3, and so forth. Step 5. Adding rows and repeating. 1. Continue building the pattern through repetition. Each row adds depth to the motifs. Alternate between rows with fans and double crochet centered. Rows across the length of the work. 2. Ensure that you measure your work. Add more motifs for a wider piece or repeat rows for a longer piece. Step 6. Final touches. 1. Bordering the work. Use single crochet stitches to create a neat border, working around the entire table runner. Place equal spacing to avoid uneven or crooked edges. 2. Decorative finish. Add optional picket details to the border by creating chains and loops for a lacy finish. 3. Adjustments if necessary. Adapt and tweak stitch counts when necessary, e.g. when corners or sides stretch unevenly. Special features of the project. Timeless motif-based design. Each motif is a standalone pattern, making the work visually appealing and easy to adapt. Versatility. The design can be multiplied or altered to make other items, e.g. placemats, rugs, or runners of different dimensions. Customizable. Adjust the number of motifs or border style to suit your needs. Level of difficulty. This project is rated beginner to intermediate. The repetition of simple stitches like chains, double crochets, and fan patterns makes it accessible to beginners who are comfortable with foundational crochet techniques. Useful tips. 1. Work a pilot piece. Start by creating a small sample or pilot motif. First, to ensure the measurements and design work as intended. 2. Adapting the motif count to increase or decrease the size. Calculate the number of chains by multiplying 19 chains per motif, e.g. 19x4 for 4 motifs. 3. Using scrap yarn. For trial motifs or parts of the pattern, use leftover yarn before committing to the main project. Uses of the crocheted table runner. Table runner. As its primary use, this decorative table runner adds elegance to dining or coffee tables. Kitchen set. Combine multiple pieces for a cohesive table or kitchen decor. Rug or mat. With increased thickness or motif counts, this design can be transformed into functional rugs or mats. Gift idea. Handmade runners make thoughtful and personalized gifts. Materials recap. Light blue yarn or color of your choice. Crochet hook, 3.6mm. Scissors. Leftover yarn for trials. Bonus tip. Pay attention to tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to ensure an even appearance. Practice a few rows before committing to the full project to get comfortable with the pattern and gauge. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for sticking around till the very end. Till next time, happy crocheting!